Quilts, bedding set, and pillow cover are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and pad up a list of the best quilts bedding brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. The top fabric materials are made from 65% polyester and a 35% tensile lyocell comfort layer. Tensile fibers are smooth, soft, and gentle on skin. They're also able to absorb and release moisture, improving breathability. The comfort layer is double-sided and customizable. One side provides medium firm support, and the other provides firm support. The base fabric is 100% polyester with PVC dot. The mattress also contains polyurethane foam. A firm support base prevents hips from sinking uncomfortably into the mattress and maintaining the integrity of your posture overnight. A design that minimizes partner disturbance allows for a more peaceful sleep throughout the night. An anti-slip bottom also means the mattress stays in place on the bed frame. Antibacterial treatment means that antimicrobial additives help foster a cleaner, more hygienic sleep surface. A Drtoor US certification ensures the foam used in the new Koala mattress is free of harmful ingredients such as formaldehyde, ozone depleters, mercury, and lead, and that it has low VOC emissions. A GECA certification means that this mattress is eco-friendly and has been ethically made. Available in single, double, queen, and king sizes. Comes with a 120-night trial and a 10-year warranty. Heavy on style and light in weight. These quilts are made of 100% Sherpa cotton casing and feature a body contouring design. The elegant drape ensures your bed exudes luxury, while the cloud-like fiber fill doesn't make you feel weighed down beneath the quilt or overheat. The perfect temperature for every season. Enjoy consistently peaceful sleep at the perfect temperature all year round. The thermally efficient fill intuitively regulates the sleeping environment, creating a beautiful balance of airflow, warmth, and comfort under the caress of the cozy, lightweight quilts. Made for comfort and well-being. Expertly designed for an optimal night's sleep and good health, micro-cloud quilts are breathable, hypoallergenic, odorless, and antimicrobial and dust mite resistant. The soft, high-tech fiber fill is free of animal products like prickly, unhygienic feathers, so you can rest easy knowing you're sleeping with your health and well-being in mind. Product information: Micro-Cloud Ultra Soft High-Tech Fiber Fill. Machine washable and tumble dry, tested high thread count, pure cotton Drtoor fabric, impeccably detailed sewing finish, parallel twin stitching and piping, hypoallergenic, health guard, treated to be antimicrobial and dust mite resistant, contains no harmful substances as tested by the Oeko-Tex standard 100, no prickly feathers or animal contaminant. Cruelty-free, odorless, 3-year warranty. Reviewers were ultimately very happy with the product and rated it highly. They claimed the quilt was very soft and luxurious. It is lightweight and nice to sleep under. However, as for all seasons, some people do not think it's warm enough for winter. Thank you
for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.